Hey, what's up guys, it's Khati on Josh Trade. Following my interview with Van Tarp, I started to reflect on something and I started to think about the belief I had in the past and the belief I have now. Now I'll tell you that my beliefs are not necessarily optimal at this point and I don't expect them to be. It's something that you work on every single day. But I want to share one crucial belief that if you have it, could really hurt you in trading. And if you just change it a little bit, could really make a big difference whenever you're going to trade. So this is pretty simple, but the way you see the market is really going to determine how you're going to trade and how well you're going to perform in trading. And I'll show you with a simple example. I used to think that the market was really crazy and that it would be really hard to take a trade and know which way the market would go. Okay, that was my belief. So I thought that the market was crazy and unexpected. Now, the market, yes, is unexpected, that's for sure. But I thought that it was impossible to sort of have an edge and to know a little bit more with more probability that the price would go in one direction. So that's what I thought. But when you start to change that belief and when you start to examine the market, you start to realize that some patterns really are predicting a little bit the price. Some patterns can really help you determine whether the market's going to go up or down. Now you cannot be sure, but you know that you have more probability of the market going in the right direction in that case. So if you believe in that way, if you believe that when you hit the support, okay, nice support here. If you believe that when you hit the support, that price, if it breaks out of the range, breaks down, it's like it's to go down. Okay, that's one belief you could have. If you believe this way, that when price breaks down, it's more likely to go down, then you're much more likely to be successful because then you know that this is a pattern and you'll be much inclined to enter a trade when you see the pattern. But if you believe that the market is crazy and that it could go up or down in that case, could go in either direction, then you're really putting yourself at risk because you're gonna wonder all the time, should I enter the trade? Should I go in the trade? Should I take that trade or not? Should I just wait? And then you'll probably wait and you'll see that the market goes in the right direction and then you'll be stuck. So the way you see the market, whether you see it as really unpredictable, super confusing, or to see it as a series of patterns that can help you predict where the price is going to go, what the price is going to do, this is really going to determine how you see things and what type of trade you take and what type of trade you avoid also. So I really want to hit this hard because I know some people who are always wondering and they always want to have this higher level of confirmation. They want to be able to confirm a little bit more. And if you go with that mindset in trading, that you need to confirm always more, you're going to look for more confirmation. And the more you look for confirmation, the more trades you'll miss. So I want to make sure that you guys know this and that you know what type of pattern gives you an edge. So there's a lot of research online. I'm trying to put a lot on this art to trade. But definitely listen to this interview with Van Tarp. I know it's really helpful. It's going to help you out to understand how it works, how beliefs impact your trading, and how you can benefit from that basically. Because beliefs are really good. And if you can just learn to master them, learn to understand how they work, you'll be in a much better position. So guys, I'm doing my best to bring this information here on the podcast to you guys for free. So if you have any question, any feedback, let me know. I would love if you can go on iTunes and leave a review to the podcast. I'll put the link below in the description. And on that note, guys, join the Facebook group, desiretotrade.com/group. And I'll see you pretty soon. Ciao.